Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making a creamy chicken, leek and bean tray bake. Now this filling meal can be served as it is or with some roast potatoes or a nice thick slice of crusty bread. Now to start, you want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit and heat a few tablespoons of oil over high heat in a large non-stick frying pan or cast iron skillet. Then season the 4 to 8 skin-on chicken thighs with a seasoning of your choice. Now optionally you can use a marinade if you want to let the chicken rest in the fridge for a while before cooking, but personally I'm just using what I thought was paprika that actually turned out to be cayenne pepper and a sprinkle of salt. Then you want to place your chicken skin side down in a hot pan and notice how bad you are at evenly seasoning the chicken, and then let cook for 5 minutes until golden crisp. Now, whilst your chicken browns, trim the top and bottom off 1 to 3 leeks, depending on the size and your personal preference on leeks. Now, I love how well leeks and chicken go well together, so I am using 3 assorted sized leeks. And then you want to slice them into roughly 1 centimeter thick slices. Once the chicken has browned, place in a large baking dish, skin side up. And then you want to cook your 3 sliced leeks in the chicken juices for 5 minutes until softened, optionally adding some garlic if you wish. Now if you've been here a while, you know I love my chili jarred garlic, so I'm using some of that. Next, stir in 1 to 2 cans of beans of your choice, such as kidney beans, cannellini beans or even chickpeas, which is my personal preference. And then cook this for 1 minute just to give the beans a nice coating. Then pour into the tray, placing the chicken on top. Next you want to pour in 250 to 500 ml of warm chicken or vegetable stock, depending on how much sauce you want with this. Now this is also to stop the beans from drying out whilst you are roasting, and this makes a great sauce to go with your chicken. Then you want to add all of this into the oven and roast for 20 minutes. Then remove from the oven, stir in 100 grams of crème fraîche into your stock mix, making sure to get under the chicken and evenly mixing it around. Then you want to cook this for a further 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Now if the chicken does start to brown too much, you can always cover it with a bit of foil until it is fully cooked through. Now once cooked, remove from the oven, serve optionally as is or with some bread, some roast potatoes, and there you have it, a nice simple filling chicken tray bake. And that wraps up this week's video. As always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week for the start of September. Thanks for watching.